Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and most importantly, hit that bell notification for all your breaking news, coin updates, blockchain technology, and information and laws and regulations as we head into the cashless society, as I'm being repeatedly censored and suppressed by the powers that be that are trying to restrict this information. So it's very important to push us through the YouTube algorithm. Hit that like button, comment down below, hit the bell notification, and share this channel far and wide to stay up to date on all the breaking news.
Kansas Gold Crypto Investing, and it's been a wild day in the coin market today, as well as the U.S. dollar was up over 114 today. It's come down since then, but I've been traveling all day, and I'm currently still traveling. But it's been a very wild day in the stock market, the equity market, and the crypto market. And you can see if we zoom in real quick, we'll start with Lunar Classic. Of course, that nonsense is going to pop up now. Yes, there's going to be a major hurricane coming near Florida, or crossing Florida in a couple of days. We'll watch out for that. But you can see Lunar Classic, what it simply did beautifully was it came down to this first fib circle down here after breaking that neckline up there that we were watching out for. It had a power pump overnight, right? And now look at right exactly where it's coming to on its first area of rejection and its first area of consolidation after a power pump, right on that old neckline. Now what you want to see if you want this to get bullish is it's got to stay above that old neckline. You can even extend that neckline out farther. It's got to hold above that, and then it can try to make a nice double top up here near the 0.0005490 range. But if it gets rejected by these moving averages, especially if it slips that 200-day moving average again, just below the neckline, you're going to trade quickly back down to where it pumped up from at that blue fib circle down there, right? So that's your critical area that you need to watch right now is that neckline that's sitting right here, that is currently being an area of consolidation and resistance. That's what you need to break if you're trying to come up here for some kind of a double top or continued into this bull run. I don't think it's going to get past that double top if it gets up that high, but that's the area you need to watch out for right now on that consolidation. The Bitcoin price still hasn't done anything. It's still sitting here at this consolidation zone of 19,310. And if you wanted to try to bounce up here and kind of bullish run, you need to get above this blue area of upper resistance, that support box down here, and resistance box. And right now it's been acting as resistance as it's been in it, trying to get back over top of it, right? You need to get back above that, get over that 200-day moving average, and then you can try to move towards that 27,000 range. But if you can't get past this area right here, you're going to trade quickly down to that 16,598.54 range, and that's what we're watching out for as you're stuck in the support resistance box. It's actually a support box right now, but then when it's trying to break back out of it, it's going to act as resistance, and that's what it's currently been doing here for the last few days along that 19,300 and change, and we're going to continue to watch out for that. Ethereum, it's the same thing. It's on a support box, and it's continually been supported since it broke down from this green fib circle up here, right? It's been getting supported on this area down here, about 13,021-ish dollars. And if you can't get above that, and you get rejected by this green fib circle right here that you're or blue fib circle that you're about to trade into, your area of next major support is down here at $1,080. And that's what we're watching if we zoom in a little bit here on the Ethereum price. You're going to trade into the blue fib circle that you can see descending right here. And if you trade into that and don't have any volume, you're going to get knocked down. And if you get knocked down, this $1,080 is where you would trade up to. But if you can get some buyers to come in, you could try to trade up towards this green fib circle up there at 1651, right? But right now, you're going to be looking at your current tightening ranges right here, this descending blue fib circle and this horizontal blue support box, right? It's kind of squeezing you, and you're either going to pump to the upside or you're going to fall down to the downside to that $1,080 underneath target. And that's what I'm watching out there for you right now as we're on the move, right? And then you can see right here on XRP, we're still being topped out by that 50-cent major upper resistance after this pump where you broke above this 37 key area right there. Now you're being resisted on the overhead 50-cent range, blue major resistance box right up here, and you can see the price is consolidated just below that after you had that nice Saturday night pump or Friday night pump. You've consolidated down now, and you're either going to get supported and get a big pump up here and come up near that 68 cents, 66 to 68 cent range, or you're going to come back down here to the major 37 cents. That was the major resistance area for about 2 months since the Great June dump, and that's the area we're watching now. You come down towards this 37 cents and have to retest major lower support, or do you break this major upper resistance to the 50-cent range and try to make a run up here? Towards this 68 cents at the top part of that blue resistance box, right? So we're going to keep an eye on that. I'm still on the move. I'm going to have unpacking to do when I get to the hotel. I'll give you another update or two this evening as I get settled in to the hotel living again. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing to you, yes, you, my beautiful, lovely, glowing members of this audience. Peace and love.